Hey, you are my friend before, ah. You forget?
Ooh, hello.
Yo, let's go shore leave, man. Shout out. Shore leave. Ayan, no? Let's go. Bye-bye. Tayo, baba na kayo.
Kala ko nabigyan ang camera.
Yeah guys, shore leave. Dito kami ngayon sa bansang gutom. Gutom bird. Yo guys. Okay. Sasakay na kami sa service. Puntang ano, Linam na lang. Let's go. So guys, nandito na kami sa service kasama namin mga baryo. Ay, shout out Aris. Hello. Yes. He's a previous drug addict before. No, I've been edit.
Malagay mo good.
Let's start. $9.20 daw.
Eh, don't drink too much. Go, wish.
Hindi pa lagi ito. North Star. North Star. Yeah. Yan, nakita. Ito tayo sa mall nila. Kala namin libre yung pamasahe, service, sa van. May bayad pala. What? 15 US. So guys, naghanap kami ng ano, money changer. Wala kami yung ano, euro. Dito na kami. Okay. Hey, you are my friend before, ah. You forget?
Ooh,
Shout out.
hello. He famous.
What's your, you have Instagram or TikTokers?
Yeah.
TikTokers. Okay. I will follow, ah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, man.
Okay. Yeah. Ayan ang tren, no, lupit. Diba? Parang bus. Let's go. Uwi na. Back to work. Yo guys. So guys, pauwi na kami.
Take photo. Ano okay? Absolut. Jo,
Balik na kami, yan.
Please like and share and subscribe.
Yeah, shout out Marvin.
Yeah.
Dati po siyang artista, ngayon nagsima na. Yeah. Bumpy. Dating model.
Sana all.
thank you.
Shout out Paul.
Shout out.
Shout out kay Mayor.
Shout out kay Joe, attorney.
Yan.
Iwan ka. Sorry na lang.
Mike. Yeah.
Shout out kay Joe.
Shout out to my friend Aris. All right. Back to work.